Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure you are signed in with an administrator account because some fixes need elevated permissions. Once done, open Task Manager and restart Windows Explorer to refresh the shell. This often returns the search bar immediately. Make sure the search icon or box is enabled in taskbar settings. If it is hidden, toggle it on. These initial steps eliminate simple UI hangs and avoid unnecessary commands. They are fast and safe, so do them first before deeper fixes. Next, you rebuild the search index to fix missing results and a non-responsive box. Open indexing options, review included locations, then choose Advanced and click Rebuild. This removes corrupt index data and forces Windows to reevaluate files. Rebuilding can take hours on big drives, so pause heavy work. Alternatively, exclude single large folders to speed recovery. Once rebuild completes, search responsiveness and relevancy should improve because you replaced a corrupted index with fresh metadata. To finish, run the built-in search and indexing troubleshooter from settings. It automates common repairs. If the problem persists, re-register the Cortana and search components by running a specific PowerShell command as an administrator. This reinstalls app packages and fixes corrupted system apps. As a last resort, create a new user profile to test whether the issue is profile-specific. If search works there, migrate your data. Troubleshooting tip: if re-register fails, check disk health and run sfc/scano to repair system files.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.